Hello, third grade math teachers and anybody who's watching this test, because these are YouTube videos that are made public. I'll be breaking down your third grade exam for 2024, which serves as your benchmark for this year. I'm Mr. Palomine, your math elementary coordinator, so I'll be going over these for you guys. I'm going to utilize this tool like crazy right here, and as much as I can, I am going to avoid any kind of algorithm or anything like that. Show different ways of getting the correct answer if possible as well. So let's take a look at this one here. I like this little tool. It's an overlay. I can even, take out the grid paper and then I can use this writing tool and I can write on the test, right? So how many hot dogs were sold during the carnival? So we know that a school had 365 hot dogs to sell. 83 hot dogs were not sold. So how many were actually sold? So this is one of those that you can actually start with a strip diagram first, right? Anytime you can use a strip diagram, use it. So we started with 375 total hot dogs, right? 83 did not sell. That's not too many. We did pretty good. So we want to know how many we actually did sell, right? So we know my answer is less than 375. And it's really not that much. Like you can kind of look, this 375, that's 83. That's maybe like 275 around there. The fact that it's that number, no, you can kind of tell already. It's not going to be that one. It's not going to be that one. It's one of these two. It's either going to be A or D, just by kind of estimating the answer. A lot of students will attempt this, right? And they'll do this minus 83. The hard part's right there. Okay. Now, if you're going to do the traditional algorithm, this part's easy. You know it's a 2, so there's your 2, and there's your 2. It's this part that's hard. And you can really think of it as just 37 minus 8. Right? That's what you got to think about it. So you got 37, and you're going to go down 7 more, and you're going to get to 30, and then 1 more, to 29. And that's going to be your answer right here. It's 8. Another way to do this one is just simply maybe draw pictures and remove. So I'm going to draw 375. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to remove 83. So I'm going to remove 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 ones, right? Until I have to remove. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all gone, and these guys are gone. I still got to remove a 10 and then 3 ones. I can do the 3 ones right now. So these guys are gone. These guys are gone. There's my 2. That's right here and right here. I have 10 more to remove from 300. Okay, well I can make one of these guys, into the 10 tens. Remove 1, and I'm left with the 9 and the 292. That's just me drawing pictures. It's A again. Another way I could have done the same problem. You can always just rewind this video or stop it and go back. Is to see how far apart 83 is away from 375, or you can go from 375 back 83. I like to go distance between, because if you look at distance between, it's a good size number. And the way you work these is you're going to work towards each other to the nearest 10, then nearest 100. So I'm going to come over here. That's a 90, right? To the nearest 10. To the nearest 100 is 100, and that's a 10. That's 17 right there. Come back to the nearest 10, which is 5. That's 370. If you're going to, so that's a lot of steps. I don't know if I can do this. You can. And there's from here to here, your 200. And now put your 10s and your 1s together. You got 200 plus 10 and 70, which is 80, plus 7 and 5, which is 12. And then from here, break it apart. 200 plus 80 plus, what's this going to give me? 10 plus 2, because 10 is 10 plus 2. We're going back to second grade math. And there's your 292. Different ways to get there. It's up to you. You can do based on blocks. You can do number lines. And the number line, you can even go back 83 to work your way to 292. I'll do that one as well, because I've had some teachers tell me that's a little, for numbers like this way, you can go back 75 to what? 300. You still need, what's 83 minus 75? How far apart are those two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go back another 8, and you end up at that 292. It's up to you how you get there. As long as that you know that 75 and 8 is at 83, you go back 83 spaces. bunch of ways to get there. You still get to 292. You get the right answer. The reason I like to do it several ways, if you have kids that are really strong at math, they can verify the correct answer. If you have kids that are struggling at math, they can use one of those many different ways to get the right answer. But this test, we can do well in this test if we just embraced a bunch of different ways to do the same problem.